Last year, LG rivaled Samsung and launched its LG G6 near the launch of the Galaxy S8. But this year, LG did not release its flagship smartphone in the first quarter, saying it will be launched when the time is right. And since then, we are all waiting for that right moment. Although that statement did not prevent the leaks from revealing about the design, specifications and features of the smartphone, they were still rumors. However, assuming that we are now close to the launch of the smartphone, the next leaks and rumors will be more authentic. LG G7 has come to the surface in a new bright color, lime green with a notch similar to the iPhone X, the usual boring things, and dual cameras in Slahsleaks. The LG G7 poster has revealed the front and back of the smartphone along with a line that says "Life is good when you play more," the LG G5's leading marketing slogan, launched in 2016. Introducing the LG G7 and G7 Plus with LG ThinQ Mods, the line is written just below the title. Soon there were other rumors about the upcoming G-series smartphone, suggestions for a 4:10 OLED display in 18:9 format. The smartphone can also feature Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 845 chipset. The phone may have a dual-camera configuration on the back, but we're not sure about that. It is also rumored that the variants of the LG G7 have an iris scanner, IP68, HDR10 and a battery capacity of 3000 mAh.